Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'll talk about a movement, Move USDT trading pair with my customer Sab. What's going on with this token now? Let's dive in. All right, guys, I want to show you the updates of initiation accumulation pump model for this token and this dump because the Coinbase post the announcement they will delist the Move token. Yes, guys, you hear me right. The Coinbase will delist Move May 15. Take a look, 28% down drop based on that news. And the magic is, guys, take a look. This is a token which listed on the Binance on December 9, 2024. And let's double check on the Coinbase. I guess it's Move USD here. So imagine they listed the Coinbase listed the token the same day, and so after the 144 days, they delisted. And people, imagine the people so brainwashed and they still believe so their favorite tokens can't be removed or can be delisted from any exchange. I repeat again, guys, I repeat it all the time, last 3 years, I guess. Any single token, this is not a safe haven. Even it's a Polkadot, ICP, Algorand, IOTA, Dash, Layer 0, I don't know. Any of this token, Jupiter, Solana, Ethereum, Coinbase delisted previously XRP, then listed back. So guys, any single token can be delisted because of regulation, because of law, because of, I don't know, some investigation, any token, just really any single token. So keep in mind it. What does it mean? It means only we can work only with that money, what we can afford to lose, you know, and work with comfortable amount of money. Yes, guys, that's it. We can't control the market. We can't control the news. We can't control the decision of the centralized exchanges, the governments. We can't control it. That's why we can only work with a zone of interest. One thing. Second one, we can work with indicator set, the data, what we get now at this current moment. We can build the strategy, when to in and when to out, cut losses, fix the profit, withdraw initial deposit, you know, and do some actions, take some actions, you know, or not. We can work with money management, risk management and money management. So it means, you know, for example, you ready to invest in this financial market, to risky financial sector like crypto, like 10,000. And you diversify that 10,000 between the sectors, between the futures, between the spot, between the stable coins, you know, and work with this money. That's it. And you can get the more 50K, for example, at home or in your bank account, and you not touch this money, you know, for the crypto. So that's a point. And you totally don't care if, for example, you invest in some token and this token dump at 30%. You totally don't care because you was ready, because you understand the risk. That's it. So globally, guys, everything's still relevant for movements around here. Like usual, I post the video about movements around here after listing. You know, it's a daily time frame. People screaming, "We never drop to your target because you post so silly charts. We never drop to 17 cents. Why? We never drop to 12 cents. No, we never. Guys, never say never. We work with the same model last 3 years. And 99% of tokens pump and dump to the same zone of interest. How people still not use this simple strategy, I have no idea. This is not a 100% win rate strategy, but this is a strategy which gives you the better entries than, I guess, 90% other strategies what you can find in the market. And it's totally for free, without a paid courses, without any web groups, nothing. You just can use it because we can see the algorithm during the last 3 years or the next 2 years, how the venture funds run the listings, you know, and after that dump the price to the zone of interest. and many coins dump to the first zone of interest to the next one. So I highly recommend you go and check first one, intuition accumulation pump model, free educational video, one thing. Next one, go in education proposed, just double check the movement, move USDT, main video after listing. So you'll be surprised. So everything what you see on the chart, it's not random. It's pre-planned before. And for me, it's all the time kind of interesting why and how this news deliver in the right moment, in the right time. And I will be surprised if after 15 May, this token will bounce back on other exchanges. So for me, it's kind of weird. So now we almost touched the best zone to buy, which start at 17 cents 30, 12 cents. Invalidation of this idea, drop under 2 cents. If the token invalidate the idea, the zones for fixation swing trades absolutely relevant. Just you have to pay attention for the gains in percentage. Pretty simple, guys. This order flow, what we build it now here. Hey, come on. Will be fill it at least over this liquidity pool around 73 cents sooner or later. So just a matter of time. Of course, if this token not a pure scam and will be not delisted from other exchanges. So the main goal is the token should be still exist on centralized exchanges with liquidity. That's why basically until the move on the Binance, because the Coinbase is okay, right? It's just a brand name, but the main liquidity focus is concentrated on the Binance. And I think, yes, all targets can be relevant. So here's a plan. For example, you add a limit order at 12 cents with a potential risk to see the dump 80%, right? On the spot. You add a limit order here after 100% pump, 100% 9, for example, where we will sweep these highs. You will draw initial deposit, leave free tokens, and write to the zone of interest where we're gonna fix the profit out of the one. So it's 455%, 66 cents. Next one is 27 block and a new all-time high. I believe, yes, we can see the new all-time high for this token if this token is not a pure scam. Why? Just because market makers can dump and pump. Just because it's a pure speculation. Nothing fundamental behind it. So pretty simple, guys. This is was the first zone of interest. Here we trade, bounce like 20%, dump it, and based on this announcement, we can drop and test 17 and 12. You can try buy in 2 orders, it's average entry like 14, but keep in mind we can dump much lower to 2 cents and invalidate that idea. But you're now in a better position than that guy's 500%. Imagine. So that guy, that guys who screamed, we're going to the moon here, they down now like 83%. But it's a trap. They down 500. To out at the break even, the token should pump 500%. So that's a big difference, guys. A lot of distractions around. So people show you some stupid things like buy the deep, buy the deep, buy the deep all the time. We can see how the influencers show you all of this crap tokens. Buy the deep, accumulate, use DCA. DCA, it's not a solution. DCA, it's not a magic. DCA is just a strategy if you get unlimited budget with for stable coins. So guys, don't be trapped in all of this stuff, myth, narratives around. So here you could start use DCA, build average entry if you believe in this project. So 37 and 12 cents, for example, average entry 23 for the spot. At 46 you out and withdraw initial deposit. 92 you fix some profit, new all-time high, fix some profit out of these assets. Pretty simple, guys. With potential risk to see the invalidation, because it's a high risky asset, high risky sector of financial markets. So there is no safe haven or safe investment. Take a look with the indicator set, ADZ direction. Here was accumulation without any divergence, guys. Now could see that divergence on the daily if we drop lower, and I think we will drop lower. So something like this one. in May. And it's going to be the warranty like this one. And we can go higher. It's based on ADZ on a daily. Here's the accumulation. Based on the weekly time frame, yes, we just hit middle. I don't like the situation like this one. I'm not traded. So we can drop even like this one. Easily. Just in an eye blink, guys. ADZ direction we can close. Guys, I highly recommend you go and check the first video about a movement. So you'll be not surprised what's going on now. Market mode is still a for you. So it's kind of weird. Daily time frame, yes, of course, it's capitulation. Capitulation, so it means like more or less it's okay time for accumulation. Trade on, it's intraday. You know, you could accumulate. Here's a weekly. Weekly, no data. 12 time frame, take a look. Here was a buy. Of course, you could trade even, you know, with intraday like this one, 16%. Imagine it's like 10%. But guys, with 10x leverage, it could be like 100% profit. 100% profit. Here, 4-hour time frame. Buy. Small time frame, give you the better entry. Right? Here. Almost 20% pump. With the second leverage, 200%. Craziness. Craziness. Here was a potential short, drop, buy back, bounce. Even now, you could buy the movement 15%. With second leverage, it could be the 30%. So guys, there's a lot of option to buy and sell and trade assets. Take a look. So don't fall in love in some assets, because when I hear some random stuff about Polkadot will never be delisted, the ICP will never be delisted, the Jasmine will never be delisted because of, and some random explanation, random reasons, you know. Why? It's just simple asset which can be delisted in eye blink. So don't be fooled, guys. We trade just virtual internet fancy tokens, nothing special. Here was money inflow. So the whale step-by-step accumulate on a daily, and I'm more than sure it's not for the scam people. But everything possible. We can open the chart of BBL. BBL is just an amazing example of scam. Money power. Here we lay down at the bottom. So this is not a time to out of the token. Take profit, guys. Weekly, no data. Daily. Daily, we dump on the fundamental volume. Take profit line, now it's 55 cents. Here, this is what I would like to see. I would like to see the fundamental value on the 12th and from 1687. This one in the next few days or the weeks or the next week. And after that, the bounce to the take profit 44.62, exit line 50.43. So guys, I highly recommend it once again. Go and check the free educational video how to work with indentation accumulation pump model, all zones relevance. I highly recommend you in education purpose. Double check the first video about a moment, so you will understand the logic why we came in here. So you will understand the logic. If you would like to trade with my customer care set, what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, notification button. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.